Welcome to the Storybook Galaxy.
The Magic Shoes.
Far away, near a beautiful forest, lived a brave and curious girl named Ina in a small house. Ina didn't have much wealth, but her life was full of happiness and dreams. She often stitched old clothes and wore them in creative ways, enjoying her work.
Why is Ina always running after old clothes?
Her wardrobe must be like a treasure chest. It does bother me, but I won't let their words affect my happiness.
One day, Ina decided to clean her attic, a place no one had visited for years.
Let's see what's hidden up here.
The attic was full of old things, but Ina loved discovering hidden treasures.
How did this box get here? It looks so different.
Inside the box, Ina found a strange pair of shoes glowing as if filled with magic.
Whose shoes are these? Will they fit me?
As soon as Ina put on the shoes, she heard a mysterious voice.
A path will open in the flames. Cross it, and you will discover the truth.
What was that? Where did the voice come from?
The shoes seemed alive, moving closer to Ina as if ready for a mission. That night, Ina had a strange dream.
Is anyone there? Save me. I'm trapped in the fire.
Help me out from under these stones. I'm imprisoned.
What kind of dream was that? Are these shoes sending me on a mission?
Ina gathered her courage and put on the shoes again. The shoes guided her steps as if they already knew the way. The journey wasn't easy, but Ina grew braver with each step.
This place is so scary. Is this where I need to go next?
Is anyone there? Get me out of here. I've been trapped for weeks.
I can't leave you here alone. I need to be brave.
Ina jumped into the flames without worrying about her safety.
Who are you? How did you get stuck here?
I am the Fire Prince, but my powers are fading.
Don't worry, we'll get out of here with the help of these shoes.
The shoes safely led Ina and the prince out of the fire.
My sister is trapped underwater. This jewel will help you.
With the jewel, Ina stepped into the deep ocean.
Please, free me.
The magical jewel broke the stones, freeing the water princess. The three siblings and Ina returned to the forest, which had now dried up. Ina and her new friends walked on the dry paths of the forest, where everything was still and lifeless.
Why is everything so quiet? Is the forest trying to tell us something?
This isn't normal. The forest power is fading. We must act quickly.
This is dangerous. We must reach the trees immediately.
They hurried as if time was running out.
Where did the river go? This place has completely changed.
This river never dries up. Something is very wrong.
I must follow this feeling. The river is trying to tell us something.
Ina took off the shoes and fearlessly walked on the dry riverbed. As soon as Ina stepped forward, a soft sound came from the ground, as if something was waking up.
What is happening? The ground is coming to life.
The forest's power was awakening, and life began to return everywhere.
It's your power, Ina. You are the princess of the earth.
So, it's time for me to help the earth.
The greatest secret of Ina's life was revealed. She was the true Earth Princess.
This power, how did I discover it all?
Your power showed us the way, Ina. You are the one who will save us.
As Ina used her power, the forest became full of life again. A great tree grew, its roots spreading deep into the earth.
This tree represents all trees. Protecting the earth has begun.
Villagers and animals rejoiced as the forest turned green and vibrant again. In her journey, Ina not only discovered her powers, but also saved the earth and the forest. When we all work together to respect nature, we can save the planet.
We three siblings are together now, vowing to protect the earth.
This story teaches us that it's everyone's responsibility to save and protect the planet. Let's plant trees and protect the earth so it remains green and thriving for future generations. These shoes guided Ina on her journey to save the earth and led her to victory.
In the twilight glow of the ancient trees, whispers of legends ride the breeze, echoes of valor from long-lost realms, guided by stars and mossy elms.
If you like the story, then do like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon.